In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to Google Sites quickly and easily. If you're new to Google Sites or just looking for a convenient way to enhance your site with images, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that you have a smooth experience. Let's start by heading over to Google Sites. Open your web browser and go to sitesgoogle.com. If you're not logged in yet, be sure to sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of your existing sites. If you don't have any yet, feel free to explore creating one after this tutorial. Next, click on the site where you want to add the image. Your dashboard is now open, and you can see the layout and content of your web page. Look towards the toolbar to find your options for editing the page. Here, you'll be able to add text, images, or other content to enhance your site. Now, let's move on to adding your image. In the editing toolbar, you'll see an option that looks like a small picture or icon labeled Images. This is where we'll focus our attention. Click on it to open up a menu for image options. With the menu open, you'll see an Upload button. This is the option we'll use to add an image from your computer. Clicking on Upload will prompt you to browse your device for an image. Look through your files and select the image you want to add to your site. Choose a high-quality image that's appropriate for the content you're presenting. Once you've found your image, select it and click Open. Your image will start uploading. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this could take a moment, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, the image will appear on your page. You can adjust its size and position according to your preferences by clicking and dragging the image corners or using the alignment tools. Finally, let's make sure your changes are saved and go live. Locate the Publish button at the top right corner of your site editor. By clicking this button, your site with the newly added image will be live on the web. It's always a good idea to preview your site before publishing to ensure everything looks as expected. And that's it. You've just learned how to add images to Google Sites. By following these steps, you can easily enrich your web pages with visual content that complements your text and engages your viewers. Thanks for watching, and feel free to experiment with different layouts and images to make your site uniquely yours. Happy building!